Vinegar and baking soda are two items you can find in almost any kitchen. Many people believe that mixing them creates a super-powered cleaner. When you combine them, you see a lot of fizzing and bubbling. This dramatic reaction looks like it must be doing a great job of cleaning. It seems so powerful and active. This visual effect leads many to think that the mixture is breaking down tough grime and dirt with ease. Let's start by looking at vinegar. The scientific name for the main ingredient in household vinegar is acetic acid. Acids are a special group of chemicals. What makes something an acid is that it has extra hydrogen ions it is ready to give away. Think of these ions as tiny particles that are very reactive. They are what give acids their sour taste, like in a lemon or in vinegar itself. This acidic nature is what makes vinegar a useful cleaner for certain types of jobs around the house. It is a mild acid, which makes it safe to keep in the kitchen. The power of vinegar as a cleaner comes from its acidic properties. Those reactive hydrogen ions are great at breaking down certain kinds of messes. Specifically, vinegar works wonders on mineral deposits. If you have hard water, you might see white chalky stains on your faucets, shower heads, and inside your coffee maker. This chalky residue is called limescale. Now, let's turn our attention to the other ingredient, baking soda. The chemical name for baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. If vinegar is an acid, then baking soda is its chemical opposite. It is a mild base, also known as an alkali. Bases accept hydrogen ions acids want to give away. This property lets baking soda neutralize acids. It's also versatile for cleaning and deodorizing around the home. One major strength is its physical structure. Fine powder made of small crystalline particles. That structure makes it a gentle abrasive. Make a paste with water and baking soda to scrub without scratching. Perfect for cleaning sinks, countertops, oven interiors. So, what happens when you pour acidic vinegar onto basic baking soda? Well, you get an immediate and dramatic chemical reaction. This is the classic acid-base reaction that science students often perform in a lab, but you can see it right in your kitchen sink. The acetic acid in the vinegar gives away its hydrogen ion. The sodium bicarbonate in the baking soda accepts it. This exchange happens very quickly and causes the two substances to transform into entirely new ones. It is a rapid and, fascinating process to watch. The result of this chemical swap is the creation of three new substances: sodium acetate, water, and carbon dioxide. The simple equation for this is acid plus base, salt plus water plus carbon dioxide gas. Many people believe this vigorous bubbling is a sign of powerful cleaning action. It looks like the fizz is scrubbing away dirt and grime. While the physical agitation from the bubbles can help loosen some surface dirt, this effect is very brief. The real cleaning power of the original ingredients is lost during the reaction. The acid and the base have effectively canceled each other out. The resulting mixture is mostly just slightly salty water. You are left with a solution that is far less effective than either vinegar or baking soda was on its own. The reaction is fun, but it is not a cleaning powerhouse.